Welcome to the wasteland. This is homie G Pimp Dag Mofo Motherfucker, Big Bear.
And this is the master of the channel, Richard. Y'all enjoy the video.
Well, that starts up very nice too. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Please rate, subscribe, and comment because we love you guys.
And we're going to go ahead and get this started with a 4 thumbs up.
For Chevy. Give it for Chevy. Oh, you got the tail light. See, he's got the tail light. I got to give y'all a full fucking shebang.